PixArt helps you to express your creativity by transforming any photo into what you want it to be. We have a new photo editor that's faster and easier to use. More space so you can focus on being creative. Thousands of editing tools at your fingertips to make any moment magical. This is the light cross effect. Tap again to see all the controls. Adjust contrast and color. Add a photo and blend the edges. Compare what you've created with the original. It's perfect. Done, save, and share. The new PixArt image editor. Simple and powerful.